have this KTM. It's 2018 KTM Exc-250 6 days version. Yeah, and I measure it on my dyno and I get 26 horsepower on the rear wheel on fast map and 27 horsepower on second map. Yeah, and now I wanna rebuild little bit silencer, made it straight pipe and measure it again. It can give us some horsepower or not, I don't know. That's why I want to try it. Let's go do this. Okay, and inside of this silencer we have this kind of, I don't know, it's some kind of flame retardant or dB killer. I don't know exactly, but definitely it's made some restriction. We can easily pull it out. We need to drill it a little bit here, or cut it with the angle grinder and hit it out from backside. I don't know. We will try. It's definitely sound came a little bit louder, but yeah. In next step, basically we can change this tube inside of this one, because there is pretty much restriction. We can cut this this area, cut out, and change this tube to bigger one. But it's a little bit more difficult than remove this one. But we will try without this one, and we will see it can give us some horsepower or not. We install back silencer without flame retardant, and we will see what happened. And basically we get the same power, nothing changed. We get the same 27 horsepower on second map. It's no sense basically. It came a little bit louder, but power is the same. Need to try with Akrapovic or something like that. Then it's maybe something change. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching and bye.